AI isn't slowing down, but something is. Right now, three forces are quietly deciding who wins the AI race: compute, energy, and government control. This is no longer a tech story, it's a power story. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you why AI's next battlefield isn't software, it's infrastructure and control. Let's start with compute. Everyone wants bigger models, better AI, smarter co-pilots. But there's a hard problem no one can code around. There aren't enough chips. Top-tier AI GPUs are sold out months in advance. Not just GPUs, high-bandwidth memory, servers, and data center space are all bottlenecks. So what happens? Only a small group can afford to play. Big tech governments. Well-funded AI labs. Everyone else rents what's left at premium prices, and here's the key insight. AI is no longer limited by ideas. It's limited by access. And access to compute is becoming a pricing weapon, a moat, and a geopolitical tool all at once. Now, layer in the next problem: power. AI eats electricity. Data centers already consume massive amounts of energy, and AI is accelerating that demand fast. Some estimates say data center power use could double within this decade. That's forcing a radical shift. Big tech isn't just buying servers anymore, they're buying energy like oil companies once bought oil fields. What that looks like: long-term power contracts, building data centers next to nuclear plants, on-site natural gas generation, regions competing to offer cheaper electricity. This is the AI energy war. Countries with cheap power, stable grids, fast permitting, become AI hubs overnight. The real constraint isn't can we build the model, it's can we power it 24/7 at scale? Now comes the final layer: control. Governments have realized something critical. If you control the chips and control the energy, you control who gets powerful AI. That's why export controls are no longer just about hardware. They're about who can access advanced compute, who can rent cloud resources, who can run large models at scale. In other words, compute access is becoming regulated like weapons or critical infrastructure. This creates a new world. Frontier AI stays inside a handful of countries. Cloud providers become gatekeepers. Smaller players get capped performance, not because they're less innovative, but because they don't have permission. Put it all together. AI's future isn't decided by the smartest model. It's decided by who owns the compute, who controls the power, and who writes the rules. That's why this race isn't slowing down, it's hardening. The winners won't just build the best AI. They'll control access to intelligence itself. So the question isn't how smart will AI get? It's who will be allowed to use it. If this changed how you see AI, like the video, subscribe and comment. Compute, energy, or control, which battlefield matters most?